Open Red Dead Redemption 2. Go to Settings. Go to Graphics. Scroll all the way down until you get to Advanced Graphics. Unlock it. Go to Graphics API and choose DirectX 12. Press the Enter key and press Enter again. Now press the Escape key once again and once again and press Enter to restart the game. Open the game again. Go to Settings. Go to Graphics. In Screen Type, make sure to select Window Borderless and pay attention to the resolution selected. Click anywhere in your desktop and click on Display Settings. In Screen Resolution, click to show the options and choose the same resolution that is selected in the game and click on Keep Changes. Now go back to the game. After you are in the game menu, press the Alt key and also the Enter key at the same time. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.